Hello students. Uh, Let us see some important thing. Sometimes production is affected by a disaster such as floods, drought, a cyclone or hailstorm. Floods means what? Poor. Drought means what? Um, Dushkar. And cyclone or hailstorm. At such times, the stored surplus grain can be used for the people. It can also be used for people displaced due to disasters like an earthquake also. So surplus food is always needed. It can be used in such situations or in emergency. Visit to a fair price shop. Fair price shop are established in each village or each centers. Um they provide food grains through rationing system, public distribution system. Observe the different kinds of grains available there and if possible the types of ration cards. You know that ask your parents what type of ration card they have. There are three types of ration card: white, yellow and orange. The green revolution. Today our country is self-reliant. It is able to produce surplus food grain means the production exceeds the demand means we are the surplus producers of food grain. As far as production of food grains is concerned, we are also able to export the surplus grain. The tremendous increase in food grain production in our country was achieved during the green revolution. So let us see something more about the green revolution. It was brought about by the joint efforts of scientists, people working for the spread of science and farmers. The credit for the research that led to the improvement in the seeds means you know that in the modern methods of agriculture improved seeds are used. So uh, wheat and rice that resulted in the green revolution means green revolution is a process. It took place in our country. Tremendous quantities of wheat and rice mainly produced in India goes to Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Find more information about Dr. M.S. Swaminathan and write in your notebook. Do you know? Now see organic farming. As I explained you earlier, there are two types of fertilizers. One is chemical fertilizers and another one is natural fertilizers and what we call manure. But same thing we are going to discuss here, organic farming. Farming that relies on natural materials is called organic farming. Means in organic farming we use natural fertilizers. It's a form of traditional agriculture. From ancient times it has been used. We have been using. In this method, the nutritive substances in the soil are retained, means maintained. The organic pesticides used in this method have no harmful effects on those who eat the produce. For example, now mango plantations, now chemical insecticides are used, chemical fertilizers are nowadays used. As a result, the content or the we don't get pure produce or fruits. But we have to think one that the grain grown by this method is nutritious, means organic farming, insecticides or pesticides are used. They are not harmful effects on those who eat the produce. The grain grown by this method is nutritious and also good to the taste. That's why farmers have begun to opt for organic farming method. Organic farming method, we use natural fertilizers, compost and other things. Or waste. Waste is also used to produce compost. Organic farming involves use of manure obtained from plants and animals. These manures consist of fish and bone meal, animal excreta, as well as decomposed remains of plants and animals. I am going to explain the last part of this lesson in the next video.